about that whole numbers exercise 2.1 children. What is that? First question is see children, write the smallest whole number. Can you write the largest whole number? Children, first question. Write the smallest whole number. Children, smallest whole number is 0. What is that? Smallest whole number is 0. And children, we cannot write the largest whole number because there are some smallest whole number is 0 children, and we cannot write the largest whole number because we cannot represent. And 2, children, write the successor of each of the following numbers. First question is 99, and the second one is 378915, and third one is 5001 299. Children, want to represent? Second one is write the successor of this number. Write the successor of number means then also you want to add that numbers plus 1. Correct children? Now you want to represent the successor of 3999. Now we can represent 3999 plus 1 is equal to 4000. Children, as well as you want to name, so there are some 3,78,915. So what is the successor of here? This one also 378915 plus 1 is equal to, correct children? So according to that 378916, this is more. Children, now we want to represent 5001 299. What is the successor of here? We want to add 1. 5001 299 plus 1 is equal to 5001 300. 5001 300. These are the successor of these numbers. Correct children? This is over. Children, next you want to take, write the predecessor of the following numbers. Next one children. So third one, second one is over. This one want to write successor as well as want to write next predecessor. Predecessors. What is that number children? First one is 500. Second one is 38794. And 547890011. 547890011. Children, now we want to represent 500. What is the predecessor of 500? Means you want to subtract 1. So here 38,794, the predecessor is 38,793. So children, now we want to represent here also 5478 90011 minus 1 means 54789010. This is the predecessor. Predecessor means then also you want to subtract 1. Successor means you want to add plus 1. Correct, children? Any doubt here? No doubt. Children, next fourth point. Write the whole number in each of the following numbers. Shall I write this one? Okay, children. Now you want to take. Children, write the successor in each of the following whose successor is. Okay, children. What is that? Fourth line is. Okay. Write the whole number. Whole number. In each of the following. In each of the following, whose successor is? Whose successor is? Which one? Say, children, what is that question? 5095. First question is 5095. Correct, children. 50795. And the second one is, what is that? 720300. 720300. Third one is 830000. Children, carefully observe the question. Write the whole number in each of the following whose successor is. This number is whose successor? That's why you want to subtract 1 only. So 50791 minus 1 means 50794. This is the successor of this number. 50794 successor number is 50795. Correct, children? As well as you want to take this one also. 720300 minus 1 is equal to 720299. 720299 successor is this one. So here also you want to represent this one also. 83. Okay. According to that, 0000 minus 1. Correct, children? How we can represent this one also? You want to subtract 1. 829999. Correct, children? It's very simple. 830000 minus 1 you want to subtract 829999. The successor is 830000. Any doubt, children, here? No doubt. Children, now we want to take next point. Write the whole number in each of the following whose predecessor. Write the whole number. We'll find. Okay. Whose predecessors? Next number is whose predecessors. Correct, children? Children, now we want to take question 5347. And the second one is, what is that? 72399. Children, now you want to take third one. What is that? 301299. Children, here one we want to add, then also predecessor means we want to add. So here only, these which predecessors? Correct. That's why you want to take 5347 plus 1. 5348. These predecessors before number predecessor. Here also 72399 plus 1 means 72400. So 72,400. Here also now we want to take This is the this number predecessor. This is this number predecessor. This is this number predecessor. Correct, children? Children, next now I want to write next three consecutive whole numbers of the following numbers. Correct, children? 6 mile. So write next three consecutive whole numbers. Next three consecutive whole numbers. Children, now you want to take first question is 79. Second one is 598. Third one is 35669. Next consecutive numbers means children 79 after is 80, 80 after is 81, and 81 after is 82. Next numbers. So children here also 598, next number is 599, next number is 600 and 601. Children here also 35,669 number, next number is 35,600. So 69 is then also 670 and 35,671 and 35,672. Correct, children? This is also over. Children, next write three consecutive whole numbers just before numbers. Next mine is then also just before numbers. Shall I write children this one? So write next three consecutive numbers just before numbers. Just before numbers. Before numbers, then there is a previous number. That's all. Children, now we want to take. So how we can then also 323101. So that's why we want to take 323101. We want to subtract 1. Minus 1 is. How we can make this one also? 3200. Next number you want to take 3200 minus 1 is equal to. Children, now we want to write this one also. How we can represent? Correct. So children, it is very simple. This one also according to 3 1 1 2 3 4. Correct. Children, next you want to take 3 1 double nine minus 1 is equal to 3 1 double nine 8. These are the just before numbers. Correct, children? Children, next you want to go to 8th question. What is that? How many whole numbers are there between 38 and 68? Shall I write children this one? Next you want to take next question, 8th question. What is that? How many whole numbers are there between 38 and 68? Whole numbers there between 38 and 68. Correct, children? 38 and 68. Children, now we want to take children 38 after number is 39 and 40 and 41. So 68 before number is 67. Correct, children? Children, now we want to take how we can this one also we want to subtract children. How we can write then also last number is 67 now we want to subtract before number of 39, that is 38, is equal to 7. Cannot subtract 8, then also want to take carry. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9 children. Here 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So total 29 numbers is there children. As well as children, now we want to take in between 100 and 299. Correct children? How we can take second question is in between 100 and 299. Correct children? So children, now we want to take how we can write this also. Next number is according to that how many whole numbers is there between then also 99 and 100, not for 100. Next number is 9900. According to that then also 299 and 2999. So children, 90 after next number is then also 99 after next number is 100 and 101 and up to 299 before number is 298. Children, now we want to take last number is 298 and 100 before number is 99. We want to subtract children. Okay children, 8 cannot be subtracted 9. That's why we want to take children 18 minus 9 is 9. Correct. And here also 8 cannot be subtracted 9. Now we want to take carry. 18 minus 9 is 9 children. And according to that you want to take total 199. Correct children? Now it is very easy. Okay children? These are the 199 numbers in there children. Children, you want to take last question. Write all the numbers between 100 and 200 which are not changed in the digits are written in then also increasing order. Shall I rub this one children? Okay. Children, now we want to take next question. What is that next question? Write all numbers between 100 and 200 which do not change. So 100 and 200 numbers. In between 100 and 200. Correct children? So I want to change then also increasing order. How we can write? Suppose then also do not changes the number. That's why children now we want to take 1 is there, 101 and 121 and 131 and 141 and 151 and 161 and 171 and 181 and 191. See here, this 1 cannot be changes. Increase then also 1 plus 1 2. According to 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6 and then also 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So these are the numbers children. Children, now we want to take 10th mind. What is the 10th mind is? Very simple. How many 2-digit whole numbers? How many 2-digit whole numbers between 5 and 92? Correct children? So children, already know that one. The 2-digit numbers between them also already know that one. 2-digit number is 9, correct? 2-digit number starting with 2-digit starting number is 10 children. Already know that one. Then also last number is 99. Correct children? That's why we want to subtract. How? Then also it is very easy. It is very easy children. And then also 92 will be from then also 10 and 92. 10 and 92 is there. That's why you want to, before number you want to take. What is that? 91. Correct. Minus 0 to 9 because 10 is not 1. Now you want to take subtract. 91 minus 9 is equal to how much children? Those numbers is equal to 82. Correct. Children, this is the very simple question children. Children, you want to take last question. What is that last question is? How many 3-digit numbers are there between 72 and 407? 3-digit number. 3-digit number between 72 and 409. Correct children? It is very simple. Sorry, 407. Very simple question children. So children, now you want to take 3-digit number is starting with 100. This is starting number. And the last number is 999. Correct children? Children, now we want to subtract. So here 407. Before 407 is how much? You already know that one. 406 minus. Here also you want to subtract 99. Before 100 is 99. Correct children? Now you want to subtract That is also 307 numbers. Children, you can understood how many two-digit numbers between 5 and 92 is 82. How many three-digit numbers between 17 and 407 is 307 children. Children, first exercise is complete. Today's session is 8 children. Tomorrow we will continue the next exercise. Thank you children.